Aunt Maria. Never would I claim to have met someone so versatile, someone who would fit many characters, a fabulous soul thrown into an office and an organization full of young and noisy people. Some have her age, nay younger. But she had a way about everything. She had a way to make you feel respected, a way to make you feel loved, a way to make you feel appreciated. She could take a joke and throw some jabs too. I went around our office to see how people would remember Aunt Maria. Someone said she was so cool and had funk, gave the best warm, long hugs, and always willing to listen to problems and very understanding of people's problems. And yet another said, Aunt Maria was the oldest, but with the youngest of hearts. Despite being a veteran in the field, she always made sure to learn any new tricks that technology has brought. She mixed well with everyone. She shared tea with bread and butter with everyone. Someone said, Aunt Maria, a woman with a big heart. She loved to laugh. She was a good listener, took her time in everything. No hurry with her. If you wanted to share something with her, you needed to make sure you have the time. She shared her personal experiences, whether good or bad, for you to learn from real examples. And yes, a woman who loved to eat and eat well. Her cereals, cheese, good yogurt, and denje. Those would not miss from her food bag. No nonsense as well. Amagali banditu. We will miss her. And yet another said, Aunt Maria was a mother and a friend to everyone. She was always ready to give her shoulder for you to cry on. A comforter, advisor, partner, name it. An uncle was fun that till now I laugh to her jokes and stories. Hard to forget, so hard. When it comes to fruits, avocado was her best, seconded by bananas and apples. Tea with mandasi, bread, and she made sure she invited everyone to dig in. Chips mayaya, jollof rice, mamna ligone, limanda, chigwada, denje. I came to know some of these because of her. Fashion, she was a diva. She had very good taste when it came to makeup and dressing. I used to call her Nkhoma, and I miss that a lot. My best friend, keep resting well, Nkhoma. Someone said Aunt Maria was a great personality who made an impact by being true to the people she met. She was a part of our lives in a great way. Even on a busy work day, she was able to notice when something was wrong. She would spot a sad face in the middle of smiling ones and comfort you. She was a go-to person for advice, professionally and emotionally. We shared our deep secrets with her without fear that she would expose us. She was a mother, a friend, a role model. She was truly inspirational. So what do? Shall we cry? No. We will smile and be happy that we were lucky to have shared these rare moments with a woman who other people would only have dreamed to as much as share a greeting with. We shook her hand. We hugged her with her huge burly hugs. Shall we cry? No. And yet we cry. Rest well, Nkhoma. We still love you. To testify that Aunt Maria's life touched more than those just around her, the media fraternity in Malawi recognizes the role that she played in the media industry in Malawi. Her powerful voice, her creativity, her humor, her strict adherence to international standards of broadcasting, her passion and zeal to expose injustice, especially to women and girls. For that reason, in the year 2021, the national chapter of the Media Institute for Southern Africa, NAMISA, posthumously awarded her with the Lifetime Achiever Award. And we now present, on behalf of the media, this trophy to any representative of the family. Could we have the trophy, please?